Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai and today we have to discuss topic division. Today our topic is division and we have to we have to discuss many topics about division. Okay, firstly we have to know what is division. Can you tell me what is division? Sorry. Listen, firstly, what is division? We can say that division is equal sharing. We can say that division is equal sharing. Equal sharing means when you share some object in equal parts, that is called division. You can say that division is equal sharing. Equal sharing means if there is a question, suppose a question, Salu has 27 beads and she want to make 9 necklaces. Salu has 27 beads and she want to make 9 necklaces. How many beads in one necklaces? How many necklaces can she make? Sorry, to Salu has 27 beads and she want to make 9 necklaces. How many beads in one necklaces will be? Okay, you know that there are 27. That is total number of beads is 27 and she have 9 necklaces. She want to make 9 necklaces. How many beads in one necklaces have? How many beads in one necklaces have? That is 3. What is 27? 27 is total beads. What is 27? 27 is total beads, and what is 9? 9 is the number of necklaces. Number of necklaces. And what is 3? And 3 is the number of beads in one necklaces. Number of beads in one necklace. Number of beads in one necklace. So you can say that division is also called equal sharing. I have said that division is also called equal sharing. Now we have to learn many types of division. Okay, and now there are some examples, and now we have to come on division. Okay, what is division and how we can divide numbers? Many topics we have to learn today. Okay, listen carefully. Firstly, we have to know some division fact. What is that? That is when a number is divided by 0, when 0 is divided by a number, some facts are some facts. If there are two numbers, that is 8 multiplied 7 is equal to 56, and we can say that is 7 multiplied 8 is equal to 56. And if you want to write division fact, so we can say that 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7 and 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. That is division fact. And now we have to learn what are division fact. When 0 is divided by a number, the answer is 0. And in other hand, when a number is divided by 0, that is meaningless. Okay, and next, when a number is divided by 1, the number itself, the quotient is the number itself. And next fact, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. And firstly, we have to know what is division and how we can divide numbers. Listen here. Firstly, there is an example. 5625 divide 5625 by 7. Listen here, how we have to divide it. Firstly, we have to write such type. 5625 divided by 7, and we know that how many times it will be divided. Firstly, we have to take one digit, so that can't be divided, because 5 is the smaller than 7, so we can't divide it. Okay, so we have to divide it both digit. We have to take both digit, that is 56. And now how many times it will be divided? it will be divided 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56. It will be divided up to 8 times. 7 8 is 56. And now we have to subtract it. 6 minus 6 0 and 5 minus 5 0. And now we have to write next digit, that is 2. And now we can't divide 2 by 7. We can't divide 2 by 7. So we have to divide it by 0 times. That is 7 0 is 0 and 2 minus 0, that is 2. And now we have to put 5 here. That is 25. And now how many times it will be divided? 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. That is more than 25. So 7 3 is 21. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can say that 803 is the quotient. What is 803? That is quotient. Okay, and what is 5625? That is dividend. That is called dividend. And the what is 7? 7 is the divisor. 7 is the divisor. And what is 4? 4 is the remainder. What is 4? 4 is the remainder. Okay, and now we can see here that dividend divided by divisor, and we have to find quotient and remainder. And there is a check formula. There is verification formula. How we can check our answer? Listen here. How we can check our answer? How we can check it? Firstly, we have to know that is dividend and that is divisor, and also dividend is greater than divisor, and that is quotient 803 and that is remainder 4. How we can check our answer? So the formula is Q multiplied D plus R. D is equal to Q multiplied D plus R. What is Q? Q is the quotient, and quotient is 803. What is quotient? 803. And what is dividend? Divisor. Divisor is 7. And what is remainder? Remainder is 2. And now we know that is 803 multiplied 7. 803 is the quotient, and D is 7 and R is 4. And now we have to multiply it. 7 3 is 21, 1, 2 carry, 7 0 is 0 and 2, and 7 8 is 56, that is 5621 plus 4. And now we have to add it, that is 5625. And what is 5625? 5625 is the dividend. What is 5625? 5625 is the dividend. So we can say that dividend is equal to quotient multiplied divisor plus R. Okay, and now we have to learn the division by 2-digit number. Now we have to learn division by 2-digit number. Sorry, and listen here. Let's take an example, another example, and we have to divide it. Listen here. Let's take another example and we have to divide it. Okay, listen carefully. And we can say that, we can also say that multiplication and division are related. Okay, and now we have to find a quotient, that is a division. 84 divided by 5. We have to find a quotient and remainder, and we have to check it also. Listen carefully. Firstly, we have to divide 84 by 5. Now that is 84 is the dividend, and that is dividend, and that is divisor. Now we have to find quotient and remainder. 5 1 is 5. We have to divide 1 time. 5 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and that will be 34. 5 6 is 34, and that is 34. And now we have to subtract it. 5 6 are 13, and now we have to subtract it 4. Okay, and now we have to check it. How we can check it? Listen here. Firstly, we have to 16 multiply 5 plus 4. 16, what is 16? 16 is the quotient. And what is 5? 5 is the divisor. You know that 5 is the divisor. And what is R? R is the 4. Remainder is 4. So D multiply Q multiply D plus R. 16 5 ja 80 and plus 4, that is 84. And what is 84? 84 is the dividend. 84 is the dividend. Thank you for watching the video. We have to meet with new topic and new video for next day. Thank you.